using it on is a John boat trailer that I'm working on. It was a much larger bass boat trailer, and the bass boat itself was trash. It was a fiberglass hull that was falling apart. So I took the trailer and I cut it up, broke it down. Previously, I used a Welder to do the majority of the actual structural welding on it, and cutting the frame down and welding it all back together and all that fun stuff. So today, all you're gonna see is I am putting a trailer jack on the front, welding it onto there, and then I'm also putting some guide posts up in the back so that when I go to trailer the boat, getting it out of the water, I can more easily see where the trailer is and get it on there. That's what I'm doing, and of course I do a couple other test welds as well, which we'll see those in a minute. While you're watching me set up the welder, I just wanted to note that I was pleasantly surprised pretty much as soon as I opened the box. Most budget welders, they don't come super well packed. They might have some styrofoam or something in there. This particular welder actually had much better packaging in my opinion. It had a very nice foam. I don't know what kind it is, but I've seen them a lot